Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use two of the timing function blocks of MasterTool. First, let's open our toolbox. To do that, go to the View tab, then select Toolbox. Now today we're going to use these two function blocks right here. RTrig stands for Rising Edge Trig, and FTrig stands for Falling Edge Trig. Now let's add to our entire logic two networks, then add an input contact for each one of them. Then I'll drag a rising edge trigger to the first network and a falling edge trigger to the second one. And finally, add an output coil. But since we are using timing function blocks to demonstrate it clearly, I'll use a set coil and a reset coil. Now, let's assign our variables. For this contact, I'll use input 12, and for this one, input 13. And for both of these coils, I'll use output 5. Okay, there we go. And now the way these two function blocks works is when the rising edge trigger receives a rising edge pulse from this contact, it will enable its output and send the signal to this set coil, and then turn on output 5. Then, when FTrig receives a falling edge pulse from this contact right here, it will enable its output and then send a signal to this reset coil, which will then turn off the output 5. Now let's test this logic. Go to the login button. Okay. Now I'll enable input 12, press Ctrl F7, and as you can see, output 5 has turned on. Now I'll turn off input 12. As you can see, output 5 is still turned on. Now look what happens when I turn on input 13. As you can see, output 5 is still turned on, and this FTrig function block didn't enable its output. Now if I turn off input 13, FTrig enables its output and resets output 5. And that's how you use the RTrig and FTrig function blocks in MasterTool. That's it for today's video, and I see you on the next one.